Hi guys, it's Sandra here from Creating Spain. Hope you're having a good day today. I'm doing a simple card today that will be suitable for both men and women. Depending on the colour schemes that you use, you can certainly make it suitable for either. Now I'm going to start off with a white base, but you won't actually see much of it. This is my main cutout for the front. What I need to do at the moment is to put a pattern background behind it. Now I've got this one, which is, by the looks of it, a mix of inks and a little bit of acrylic ink as well. And I'm going to have to stick this behind this card so that my letters have got a backing. And then I'm going to trim this bit off afterwards. But I want to stick it on, first of all, to make sure that I stick it in the right place, that I don't have things showing where I don't want them, and I still got the coverage where I need it. Okay, now what I need to do is to cut this bit off, and so I've got a craft knife, and angle the blade under the card. That will come off. And all I need to do now is to put a little bit of glue just along this edge here. Just a tiny amount. Don't want to overdo it. And stick that down onto there. And I can put either glue or double-sided tape on here to stick this bit down on this card. Like so. Okay, now I have these little bits which I have saved to put in to complete the letters. So when you do cut it out, don't throw these pieces out. Keep them on your mat if you're not sure where they need to go. Now, if you're not sure where to actually put these, if you think you're going to have a great deal of difficulty with that, what I suggest you do is to cut out another one as a template, and then you'll be able to slot them in like puzzle pieces, like that. And I have some flowers that I cut out. These came from my stash of things already cut. So I have the flowers on, and the last thing I need to do is to put on some tiny little diamantes in the centre of the flowers. So I have some self-adhesive ones here. And there we have the final card. I hope you like it and that you will take the time to make it yourself. Thanks for watching. Take care now. Bye bye.